Okay, let's start by looking at the new features available in cardiffschools.net. Let's log in. I'm video tester here. And the features shown here working backwards are countywide, local TV, Facebook, Twitter and the cloud. Countywide is the new single sign-in. The idea here is that whether you're a student or a parent, you can sign into one single source and then go to any school that you're registered with using a single sign-in. From that point you never need to sign in again, regardless of the school that you attend. Number 2 is local TV. Quick look at that. Here we find there's a sandbox here for teachers to log in and try the new Moodle 2, and on the left hand side here some new video about exactly what's going on inside Cardiff schools or other areas that we think might be of interest to you. I'll stop and close that for a second. Facebook, a link into a new Facebook session here, trying to keep up to date and give people more access to exactly what's going on, and more immediately a Twitter feed here which will actually show you what's going on minute by minute as far as we're concerned inside the CSN system. Big improvement here is the cloud. Click on that. At the moment you get taken to a login page, but at the moment that'll be skipped later on. I'm already logged in here as video tester at liveclass.net. Essentially you will use the new reduced login. If you're a teacher with initials at a particular school, then it'll simply be your initials at yourschoolname.cc. Enter your password and sign in. The initial page really doesn't do particularly much here. It just confirms the details that are already inside the system. We're interested initially in going to the mail system, so click on mail. The first time you ever use this system you'll be given this question, obviously your language and time zone. Okay, so choose the obvious, which is Greenwich Mean Time, and okay. You should never need to answer that question again. The system takes you immediately into your Outlook web application, so that you can see here you've got your mail, your office facilities, photos, other facilities, MSN, and the ability to sign out. Left hand side here, your inbox, your drafts, your sent items, your deleted items, junk email, contact list here, and at the bottom then a calendar, contact list and tasks. This is a much more capable system than the Squirrel, which was simply limited to mail. Now, one thing you might want to do from this screen is to not just pick up the mail for your new condensed email name, but also get it to open your old Cardiff Schools system. In order to do that, you need to go to Options, See All Options, and then select the top See Emails from All Accounts. To connect to a new account, you simply click New, and here you need to supply two things: the email address and the password for the old email system. So here I want to go back and look at my video tester at cardiffschools.net and put in the password, click in Next. The system goes off and searches for that account, attempts to log in. Your accounts are now connected. You may see mail from both accounts in this system. So click Finished, and a new mail is downloading here. You can go back to your old account and have a look inside the email, and here we see email connection verification. If we click on there from the Microsoft team, you've successfully connected the two mailboxes. Please click on the following link, which is this one, to prove that the verification has succeeded. Okay, so let's go back to the system here and mail. Now this time notice that the video tester account has got the inbox, draft, sent and deleted, but it's also now brought in the folders that were in the original Squirrel Mail account. So it's taken in inbox, draft, sent items, and also details for these two folders as well. So if we look at that particular folder, there doesn't happen to be anything in there. But if we go to our new system here, these two are empty, but were they full or were they to have content, you'd be able to see the content here. to recap what we've seen in this video, and clicking on the cloud has taken us to this new connection into the cloud environment where we selected mail inbox. We wanted to collect mail from our old Squirrel Mail system, so we went to options, see all options, see emails from all your accounts in one place, went to new, put in our email and password, click next. Now you can read any account using this system, any account you have anywhere else in the world. If you put the email address in and the password in, click next, it will go off and make the connection. For example, I could decide to pick up mail from farm@cardiffschools.net, put the password in, the system goes off and searches. It's now connected, so we're now collecting mail from the two accounts. You see this one has downloaded, this one's still in the process of downloading. Note here the reverse operation. If you want to take mail that's from this account and forward it to another account, then you'd simply put that new account in here and press the start forwarding. That's if you want to send mail back the other way. Whatever you do, don't set it up so that you're receiving mail from one account and then sending it back, because you'll just have an unnecessary loop in the system. So this video has taken you through the process of going to your mail account and forwarding mail from other email accounts.